welcome back to the channel. I'm Matthew Vick, and this is the JoJo Lena, and today we're going to tell you exactly how much money we make off our YouTube channel per month and per year. So stay tuned for the video. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that notification button, and enjoy the video.
And today we're going to answer some questions for you because we have often been asked, how much money do you make off YouTube? Or can you make money off YouTube? And we're here to answer those questions for you.
So we have a small YouTube channel with around 18,000 subscribers. We've been doing this for around 2 years, and we've been monetized for a little bit over a year.
And we post consecutively about 8 to 10 videos a month.
And so people think you need 100,000 subscribers to make any money off of YouTube. Well, let me tell you like this, that is not the case.
Yeah, that's simply not how the analytics work. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, and it also doesn't matter how many views a certain video has. What matters is how often your subscribers are watching the videos and for how long they're watching the videos. Really, the length of how long they watch a video will determine how much money you make, because that is where the ads get run. So you may think we're rich off YouTube, or you may think that we're not making any money off of YouTube.
And let me tell you like this, I know some YouTubers right now that have over 450,000 subscribers that are making 30 grand a month. And I also know some other guys that have 10,000 subscribers, and they're making anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 every single month. So at the end of this video, we're gonna let you know exactly how much money we make off our channel. So when we started this channel, it was just a hobby and to advertise for our business.
And we do highly suggest that if you own a business, any business, you should create a YouTube channel all around your business, because number one, you may eventually start making money off of YouTube. Number two, super awesome to do because it helps your SEO and it will help you be ranked on Google for your business.
And you'll be surprised how many jobs we done for subscribers that called us up that seen our videos. Now, I'm not gonna lie, getting our first 1,000 subscribers was a real struggle, but something you gotta do is stay consistent and keep posting and don't give up.
Yeah, one of the major rules on YouTube is consistency, because it is one of your hardest milestones to reach, is your first 1,000 subscribers. When you first start your YouTube channel, you're gonna think that you're never going to reach that, but it will come. Stay consistent, keep posting videos no matter what. You'll get better at posting videos, you'll get better in your videos, and you will get more subscribers. And what happens when you hit 1,000 subscribers is you become monetized, which is another awesome milestone that you will reach. And I'm so glad that we were consistent in posting videos, because once we hit 1,000 subscribers and was getting monetized, we already had hundreds of videos for people to watch.
Now here's a few tips for you guys out there that are just starting your channel. The first thing you need to do is find out what your niche is and what your audience wants to see. And for us, it's how to be your own boss and how to make money.
Two other things that are really important to do is a really good, colorful, eye-catching thumbnail and a good searchable title.
And you don't need to go out and spend thousands of dollars on cameras or go buy a bunch of GoPros. You can do it with your phone. I use my iPhone, and that's how I edit all my videos. And I actually use InShot, and it's free.
And InShot is very easy to use. You can also use Movie Maker.
And a few things to keep in mind is always be original, be authentic, and always just be you.
Yeah, because people can tell. You would think they can't, but even through the camera, people can tell if you're really being genuine.
So now, JoJo, should we get to the good stuff and show them how much money we make?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So how much money we make per month, every single month, is between $1,300 and $1,700. Oh my goodness, JoJo, that ain't bad.
No, to us, that seems like a lot of money, because when we first started this YouTube channel, it was just for hobby and advertising. And this is not money we need. It was money that we were completely not expecting.
And keep in mind, that's not counting our sponsorships.
Or our affiliates.
Or our merchandise that we sell on our channel.
or any of the free stuff we get.
And something that's super cool being a YouTuber is you're gonna have people hitting you up all the time wanting you to promote their stuff.
And we are very careful in doing that. We won't promote something unless we've used it and we liked it, and then we'll refer that product to our subscribers because we want to make sure we like the product first.
So the grand total we made off YouTube for a lifetime, JoJo, is over $20,000, and we only been monetized a little bit over a year.
Yeah, I think that's a great money, but it's also minus the 2 times we paid rent out of that.
And at that rate, in 4 years, we'll have over 100 grand in the bank off YouTube.
That's awesome because it's money we don't need and we don't plan on using until way in the future.
So people always ask us, how do you get more subs? Well, the best way to get more subscribers is collaborate with other creators.
And another very, very effective thing to do, it's probably one of the most important things to do, is simply ask people at the beginning of your videos to like and subscribe your video.
So if you're new to the channel, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification button so whenever we post something, you'll be notified.
Another thing you could do to grow your channel is go live. Your audience will love it when you go live. It's very interactive and very personable. They can ask you questions and you can answer them.
And something crazy that happens too, which we never knew that happened, is you can get Super Chat. Super Chat is when people want to send you money, and it's the best feeling in the world. And something else that's super cool about YouTube is you can offer a channel membership. And a channel membership is what, JoJo?
A channel membership is something you can offer to your subscribers, and they can pay a monthly fee and get content that nobody else can get. And what we offer on our channel memberships is tips on SEO, tips on how to make more money, and lots of behind the scenes, on the job footage.
And if you have a YouTube channel you want us to check out, leave it in the comments down below, leave a link, we'll check it out, and we'll hit that subscribe button.
Now let's show you just exactly how much money we've made off of some of our videos. So here's some of our videos and how much money each video has made. And as you can see, we have a video called How to Make $1,000 a Day that has made $971 just on its own. And we also have How to Price Junk Removal that's made $568.
So there you have it. That's how much money we make off YouTube. And JoJo, it feels amazing, don't it?
It does feel amazing. I remember how it felt when we made our first 10 cents or when we seen a commercial in our video for the very first time.
Now, it was a struggle at first. We didn't get many views. It took a while to get views and comments and likes. But as long as you stay at it and stay consistent, anything is possible, JoJo. And we couldn't do it without who, JoJo?
You. And thanks to you, you've made our channel grow.
And don't forget, we love all you guys, and we'll catch you on the next video.